thing I really love about the countryside is you can be walking along a narrow lane with high hedges, and then suddenly there's a gap in the hedge, and you look over the gate and there's a vista of fields, maybe with sheep or animals, and just wonderful freedom of seeing a different thing every few yards, really.
It's a video, girl. It's a video. In my element. No.
What I love about being in the countryside is just, especially coming from a city like London where I live, and then coming to the coast where the countryside meets the sea, and it's just fresh air and feeling awake and alive.